Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. Of the hands-on is car not taken for rent. So what we have to do in this hands-on, we need to write a query to display car ID, car name, car type of the cars which was not taken for rent. So we need to fetch the record of those car which was not taken for rent. Now here once, and after that we need to sort the result based on car ID. And one hint is given that we need to use cars and rentals table in order to retrieve the records. So let me show you how we have created the table. So we have created cars table, then we have created the rentals table. Then there is a foreign key, there is a relationship between the cars ID of the rentals table and the car ID of cars table. Now let's see what we have in our database. So we have inserted these records in the table. Let's start from cars. So these are the records that are present in my cars table. So what we have to do, we have to fetch the records of the cars which was not taken for the rent. So can we fetch the record of those car which was taken on rent? Yes, of course we can do. We have two tables, that is cars and rentals. So which table should I need to use in order to fetch the rented cars detail? Obviously the rentals. So I will use select car ID from rentals. Now what this will give me, these are the car IDs which was already taken on rent. Now what we have to do, we have to fetch the record of those car ID which was not taken on rent. So the keyword that we should need to use is not in. So now let me write the query in order to select the car underscore ID comma car underscore name comma car underscore type from cars table. Now what we have to do, we have to use where car underscore ID now we need to use one keyword, that is not in. Now what this query will give me, the car IDs which are not taken on rent. So what we have done, we have selected the car IDs which is already taken on rent. Now what we did, we don't need this data, so I have used not in operator, and this query is giving me the column names that we want in our question. So we are fetching the car IDs which is not present or which is not rented. I hope this query is very clear to you now.